Hello! I started by building a concrete form for this tray. I took a measurement and quickly modeled it in SketchUp. And then I built it out of MDF. For my concrete, I use pre-mixed concrete mix from Quikrete. It's a good stuff. All I need to do is just mix it with water. Before pouring concrete, I covered my box with clear Scotch tape, so concrete doesn't stick to the MDF. And about halfway up, which is 10 millimeters or half an inch, I put these wires in. The wires might not be necessary, but I just want to make sure my concrete won't crack. After I finish the floor, I put the inside box in. And I weigh it down with stone slab to keep it in place. Closer to the top of the walls, I put another wire in. And I left it to dry for 48 hours. This is the tower of my project. I built a box around this 2-inch styrofoam insulation and filled it with concrete. This opening here is where the water pump will sit. For laying rocks, I'm using thin set from Laticrete, but I'm sure any kind of thin set for tiles will be just fine. And again, all you need to do is just mix it with water. So scratch coat is a thin layer of cement that will make a strong bond with concrete and later will provide strong bond with the rocks. The rocks I'm using for these projects are the ordinary rocks from the gravel. And this is how I lay the rocks. I simply butter them or the concrete with a thin set and stick them on. For the grout, my choice is pre-mixed grey grout. I made this stone panel for demonstration purpose. I apply grout with my fingers, trying to fill all the cavities. As soon as I'm done applying grout, I wash it off. I scrub it with sponge, which I rinse frequently in the clean water. Stop. Two things I don't like here. First, it's the color. It's too light. I want something much more darker. And second is how deep I washed out the grout. So I went to the Home Depot and I bought black grout. And this is the final result. And here's the problem. My plastic tray / water pool doesn't fit because I laid my rocks too tight. Now I either have to grind my rocks off or use my concrete base as a water pool. The problem with concrete that it's not waterproof and I need to make it waterproof. To make concrete waterproof, I'm gonna use T-Rex waterproof tape. Now I'm going to fill it with water and leave for 24 hours. I make a hole in the insulation all the way from the top to the bottom. So 24 hours later and there's no leak. The tape is holding water inside the pool and it's time to test the water pump. This is the water pump that I'm going to use. It is designed for a small aquarium and it will perfectly work here. I'll take my pump and I put this thing in. This is a piece of PVC pipe that came with my pump, and this is just a straw from Starbucks. And then I'll take my tower and I push my straw through it. And there we go. I plug the hole with a piece of Play-Doh so the water doesn't go down, and then I start the pump. And it looks like everything is working properly. For vegetation decoration, I'm using dry moss. It comes in rolls. The moss is glued on a strip of plastic. I cut it in pieces and glue it to the stone with the super glue. This is how it looks after first layer. Little bit rough. And this is after some finessing. Much better. The last thing I want to add is LED lights. These small lights are waterproof, submergible. They have remote control and a variety of colors. And this is all I had to show you. Thank you for watching. Bye.